It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at a blaster of 2008-2009 Legends Masterpiece Hockey. Here we're going to get 4 cards per pack, 8 packs in this box. There's our odds. We do have a chance of pulling an autograph, although it's rare. It's 1 in 240. We will probably get a jersey card out of here. I've opened these before. I really, really like this set. And honestly, with the Upper Deck having their new relationship with the NHL Players Alumni, I would love to see another set like this in the future, because these cards are just gorgeous. Picked these up on eBay. At this point, I can't remember what I paid for them, but I got like 5 blasters all at once. So it was pretty awesome because I've been looking for these for a while. There are hobby boxes of this available out there, but they are super pricey. And right now they're at a price that I am not willing to pay. Not gonna do it. Close up box. There we go. Center that guy. Got the moose on the box. And here's our packs, and let's get right into it. So if you haven't seen these cards, it's too bad, because they are gorgeous. So, our first one is Glenn Anderson. Once again, look at the magnificence. They're paintings on the canvas. We've got the artist signature there. Just gorgeous cards. Gorgeous cards. George Vezina. Patrick Waugh. And we've got a brown border Manon Rhéaume. How about that? Didn't even know she was in the set. Pack number 2. Dale Hawerchuk. Doug Wilson. We've got Mr. Hockey. There's Gordie Howe there. Always found it interesting how Upper Deck just sometimes just use Mr. Hockey instead of Gordie Howe on his cards. And Mike Bossy, one of the greatest goal scorers of all time. Oh, there's Bob Orr flying through the air. What a great card that is. There we have George Hainsworth, the Canadiens. There's Manon Rhéaume's base card. And Lanny McDonald lifting that Stanley Cup high. I did recently complete a base set. At least I think my base set's complete. Luc Robitaille, Daryl Sittler, Brian Leetch, and Richard Brodeur. I had a set in a box here, and I'm pretty sure it was complete. I'll have to actually check my checklist now. I bought some singles a couple places and flushed out what I was missing. Frank Mihaljevic, Marcel Dion. There we have Tony Esposito. A great shot that is. And, of course, 99, Wayne Gretzky. Yari Curry. Got Jean Beliveau. Grant Fuhr. And Marty McSorley. That painting looks a little weird. His jersey almost looks blue. 2 packs left. We've got Bernie Parent, Bobby Hull, 66 Mario Lemieux. How about that? And there's Wayne Gretzky again, lifting the cup high. So the Penguins, you've probably seen it. This is their reverse retro kind of this year, except they're doing white as the base color, and then they don't have the Robo Penguin on the shoulder. They've got the skating penguin, so a little bit disappointed there. And our last pack is going to be Bobby Clark, Mark Messier, Rod Langway, longtime Capital, and Bobby Hull, and Mr. Hockey. And there you have it. That is our box of 08-09 Legends Masterpieces. Like I said, I just love this set. I love seeing all the greats. I love seeing the pictures turned into works of art. It's just a gorgeous set. But thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.